I think everything has been done, but there's a lot of things that I haven't done. When you create new things and you just, for me, it's create a combination of flavor. If I do go out, I want to eat something outside the box, something that I cannot cook at home. So that's why Scully Restaurant is all about. There's a saying, you never trust a skinny chef, yeah? So I always feel my customers walk out here full, satisfied, with a smile on their face. And that's my goal, just to make everyone happy with delicious food. Most of the prep will happen downstairs. It's basically a very vital part of the restaurant. Being here, I'm by myself. I can do my ferments, my new dishes, my ideas, and be left alone. This is actually 3 years of recipes. So I have a few of these. So every 3 years, I have a couple of books. I'm one of those chefs that I've been blessed that I have a playground like this that I can come into work and create this. You know what I mean? Like I have something different to showcase. One of the great things now that with suppliers, they've learned how to sell chefs, I call it second selection or bruised vegetables. Give you an example with the tomatoes, I will buy these and basically make like a cool way of making a pickle. I think everyone feels that pickle needs to be like your vinegar, sugar, all right? I always say too, guys, don't forget water. People forget to put water. Like, you know, sometimes when you buy a pickle from a store and you eat the pickled onions, you're like, oh, you know, like that shock because there's no water content to balance it. So in here, I have the tomato that's been layered with sliced ginger with the skin on, you know, be rustic as possible. Whole garlic with the skin on, cut in half, and just layered it. So the vinegar that I use normally is cider vinegar, and then I use demerara sugar. The reason why I use demerara sugar, I find it's more neutral. It's not like cast sugar when you get that sickening sweet flavor in your pickle. So after 3 to 4 months, you see it will start to break down. It will smell this like kind of like posh tomato soup, I call it, right? You can smell it like it's tomato umami. So once we created this, we did try it on the bar, but it actually worked better as a pickleback shots. I was having a shot of tomato shrub with mezcal, and it was really nice. It really worked. So when we have that one-on-one with the guests, and you know that bond we have at the end of the night, I want to say thank you. So, and you know, they already had a few glasses of wine. I may need a drink to finish off my night. So we get a couple of the team guys who are not busy in the service, and we do pickleback shots. When the tomato is in season, this is something simple we can do in the restaurant. What we have here is the tomato shrub, beautiful fresh tomatoes cut, a little bit of olive oil and salt, and then we split it with green chili oil. It's so refreshing, clean. It's like a posh tomato soup, but just not heaviness and sweet. A little bit of acid in the back of the palate, which I like. So we got the tomato shrub here. So you don't need that much because that's more of the palate cleanser, the cleaner. And then we got some standard good mezcal here. And you really think why people have picklebacks too. Someone doesn't like shots, someone doesn't like something really strong and rich. That vinegar hit that you have with the gherkin or what we have with the shrub just cleanses the palate, just refines it. Let's do it. All right, cheers guys. Ooh. And you see what I mean is that some tequilas or mezcal is so fiery, but having the pickleback, the shot, the shrub, I'm sitting here enjoying it and my mouth's like watering and yeah, it's yummy. Thank you.